Hello dear students, welcome to our YouTube channel Literature Insights, an easy platform to learn English language and literature in English. In earlier video we have seen multiple choice questions based on the short story The Lost Child is written by Mulk Raj Anand. In this video I have come up before you with 20 very important MCQs on Desiderata is a poem written by Max Herman. So let's explore 20 very important MCQs on the poem Desiderata. Question number 1. Max Herman is an blank poet. Four options are here: A. Indian, B. American, C. English, D. Canadian. Here the student has to select the correct answer for this question, and the correct answer is B. American. Max Herman is an American poet. Question number 2. Desiderata is a Latin word which means A. Love, B. Affection, C. Friendship, D. Things desired. Here the student has to select the correct meaning of the word desiderata. The correct answer is D. Things desired. Desiderata is a Latin word which means things desired. Question number 3. Desiderata is a poem about A. Love, B. Peace, C. Satisfaction and happiness, D. All of the above. The correct answer of this question is D. All of the above. Desiderata is a poem about love, peace, satisfaction and happiness. Question number 4. The desiderata is blank a word. Now here four options: A. French, B. Latin, C. Russian, D. Italian. The correct answer of this question is B. Latin. The desiderata is a Latin word. Question number 5. The poem Desiderata is written in blank tone: A. Optimistic, B. Pessimistic, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. The correct answer of this question is A. Optimistic. The poem Desiderata is written in optimistic tone. Question number 6. The central theme of the poem Desiderata is blank: A. Death, B. Celebration of life, C. Truth, D. Life. The correct answer of this question is B. Celebration of life. The central theme of the poem Desiderata is celebration of life. Question number 7. What does the poet want to suggest through the poem Desiderata? A. Be aggressive, B. Do not keep interest in your career, C. Speak your truth quietly and clearly, D. None of these. The correct answer of this question is C. Speak your truth quietly and clearly. The poet wants to suggest through the poem Desiderata to speak your truth quietly and clearly. Question number 8. Desiderata is a poem written in blank style: A. Prose, B. Novel, C. Essay, D. Non-fictional prose. The correct answer of this question is A. Prose. Desiderata is a poem written in prose style. Question number 9. In view of Max Herman, do not compare yourself with others because A. There are always greater person than yourself, B. There are always some persons with lesser capability than yourself, C. You may become vain and bitter after comparison, D. All of these. The correct answer is D. All of these. In view of Max Herman, the people do not compare yourself with others because there are always greater person than yourself, B. There are always some persons with lesser capability than yourself, C. You may become vain and bitter after comparison. Question number 10. The lives of human beings are blank: A. Noisy, B. Chaotic, C. Full of anxiety, D. All of the above. The correct answer of this question is D. All of the above. The lives of human beings are noisy, chaotic and full of anxiety. Question number 11. What does the poet suggest to disturb one's inner peace? A. To avoid loud, B. An aggressive people, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. The correct answer is C. Both A and B. The poet suggests to disturb one's inner peace to avoid loud and aggressive people. Question number 12. What does the poet advocates to individual one? A. To be always true to oneself, B. To be decisive, C. To be fake, D. To be cruel. The correct answer is A. To be always true to oneself. The poet advocates to individual one to be always true to oneself. Question number 13. Which is the greatest teacher of mankind? A. Friend. B. Humanity. C. Honesty. D. Experience. The correct answer is D. Experience. Experience is the greatest teacher of mankind. Question number 14. The poem Desiderata was written in the year blank. A. 1937. B. 1927. C. 1943. D. 1947. The correct answer is B. 1927. The poem Desiderata was written in the year 1927. Question number 15. The poem Desiderata often wrote on blank themes. A. Philosophical. B. Materialistic. C. Spiritual. D. Scientific. The student has to identify the correct answer for this question, and the correct answer is B. Materialistic. The poem Desiderata often wrote on materialistic themes. Question number 16. Desiderata is blank in nature. A. Philosophical. B. Inspirational. C. Devotional. D. Informative. The correct answer is B. Inspirational. Desiderata is inspirational in nature. Question number 17. Desiderata was became popular blank. A. During the poet's lifetime. B. Posthumously. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. The correct answer of this question is B. Posthumously. Desiderata was became popular posthumously. Now here I would like to clear the meaning of the word posthumously. Posthumously means after the death of the author or the concerned person. Question number 18. The poem Desiderata begins, Go placidly amid blank. Which of the following phrase completes this line? A. Noise and haste. B. Hustle and tussle. C. Clatter and rushing. D. Weeds and thorns. The correct answer is A. Noise and haste. The poem Desiderata begins, Go placidly amid the noise and haste. Question number 19. Speak your truth quietly and clearly and listen to others, even the blank. They too have their story. Which of the following phrase completes this line from Desiderata? A. Loud and stupid. B. Dull and ignorant. C. Foolish and sly. D. Silly and ignorant. The correct answer is B. Dull and ignorant. Speak your truth quietly and clearly and listen to others, even the dull and ignorant. They too have their story. This is the complete line from the poem Desiderata. Question number 20. The poem Desiderata focuses on the idea that people should see the world blank. A. Only its positive. B. Only its negative. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. The correct answer of this question is A. Only its positive. The poem Desiderata focuses on the idea that people should see the world only its positive attitude.